Formara started in 1971. We were mainly looking after local businesses with their stationery, and it grew exponentially through the 90s with customers like Ford, with Marconi, with government. The relationship between Formara and Canon started in the mid-90s, and it grew from there. We started off with one small black and white printer. Within about a month we needed two. Within 3 months we needed three of them, and then that's where it all kicked off. It was about 2004, about a year after we bought the company, that the internet kicked in, and effectively about half of our business disappeared pretty much overnight. We worked with Canon on their Essential Business Builder program, and that helped us to sort of look at how we would take the business moving forward, especially around 2004, 2005, where we were looking to realign the company to what our customers were looking for. Companies that were similar to us were starting to fall over. They struggled through the recession, and of course we needed to do something to protect the company into the future. We needed to first of all improve the quality that we could do on digital colour. We needed to continue with the variable data and the direct mail route, but by the same token we needed something extra to take to our customers, and that's where it all sort of kicked off about 4 or 5 years ago now with Canon, with MarketDirect, and then of course by improving the quality of the colour through the imagePRESS 10,000 that we put in at the same time.
We'd had experience with Canon equipment in the past, and we knew that their equipment was good, hard-working, reliable pieces of kit. They took an interest in our business and how we could improve, and a long-standing relationship was developed from there. Canon helped develop our marketing knowledge and take us into multi-channel marketing. They helped us with pre-sales and coming into customers, and help us with initial sales of MarketDirect.
They came in and ran some workshops here, so there's marketing expertise, design expertise, and then actually dealing with the software MarketDirect itself.
Within the first year or so of having MarketDirect, we also gained new customers. One of our existing customers, Hospice in Hartlepool, now uses multi-channel marketing and has been able to increase their fundraising revenue as a result of that. We've worked with a number of universities. We went in to talk to them about MarketDirect and how they could work across all channels, and they were very keen on looking at the print side of their business again, which they'd previously scrapped. The first campaign that we did working with them produced half of their annual fundraising revenue just from one printed campaign. Print is still our main revenue stream, but we're able to now have different conversations with our customers, and those conversations have led to us increasing our print volume, where customers can see potential of working with Formara for other projects.
They've worked with us very closely over the last 4 or 5 years with the imagePRESS 10,000, with MarketDirect, and they'll continue to be a strategic partner as we look to the next stage of the business. When we go and see a customer now, they don't just see us as a printer, they see us as quite an advanced company that is capable of taking on quite a technologically advanced role with them to help them succeed. So we have a real differentiator between what we're doing and even what the online marketing companies are doing.